Come on. You know, God bless it. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. I got Link stuff ready for school today since we're gonna be at home. I wrote that on the board last night, and then this morning I just did this. I just drew that and colored it in because the letter A is gonna be our focus since we just starting out. And the one letter, she 2, not 2103, she 2. So I just want to keep it simple because I know she's not going to be able to get a lot done. So I'm going to just wake her up and eat some cereal. That way she can get her day started as well. Good morning. Good morning, Stinky. Hi. She's so extra. Come on. Why you wake up playing? Come on, can you get up?
Sure.
Okay, come on. My Stinky. Oh.
Candy.
That's not candy. What you eating?
Cereal. Cereal.
I just finished my cereal. We just sat here and ate together. We sitting at the couch.
Cereals.
Miss Cereals.
Cereals.
It's good.
Good. Good, bruh.
Go on, bruh.
Good, bruh.
Go on, bruh.
Eat.
Mommy ate all her food.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah. Mommy.
It's okay, baby.
Mommy.
You scared? It's okay. It's okay, baby. Okay. You scared? Oh, baby.
It's happening. Yum. Look. You want to take a look? Out there. I see Mama. I see you, baby. I see Mama. I see you. I see Mama. I see you. Mama, make it. Good. Good boy. Look. Wait, eat some more cereal, baby. Drink some milk, okay? My kiss. Thank you. You're so nice. You want to drink some milk now? No. No lips.
You see me? Okay, stop doing it. I'm ready to go to sleep. That was the best.
I did hair twice, 2 touch-ups, and I finished washing my clothes, and I
If he
came
been with
home
girls, he gonna be
with
like, no.
the girls.
He gonna lie.
And my clothes in the car, I gotta take them out. We ate before we left out. That's why we all sleeping for.
Girl, we ate a piece of leaf.
And then, but that's why I'm sleeping. I'm sorry, I don't know about y'all. That's enough. Choking real hard.
Damn. You sound real hard. Huh? In the car.
Hey y'all, I know I've been off with the vlog, but I'm trying to do right by everybody. Well, by God, I got clarity on the other word that he gave me, which was about the house. I feel like doubt been trying to creep in, so I want to fast just so I can stay close and connected to God, keep my mind focused on him, and his character, so that, you know, without do creep in, I can remind myself of the God that I serve. You know what I'm saying? You in the bedroom?
Yes.
You in a house?
Yes.
Okay. God, Jesus gonna give you a house, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And when you get your house, you gonna say, thank you, Jesus.
It has.
Watch how he work. Shielded my nails. God is good. But right now, he letting me starve.
Regardless, he's still good, still God.
He's letting me starve. My eyes is watering. It has been a very long and active but not productive day. I have been cleaning up for like 3 hours. I gave Wink a bath, made dinner, fed her, fed myself, and I need to clean up again. I did get my laundry folded though and put away, so from here I could just clean up. So she just got, well, she never really finished eating, but I think that's enough for her. And I just sat here and did her hair. Y'all, look at her. I just wanted the back braided down because I think it's just better for preserving the back of her, since it's like, excuse me.
Since it's like thinner in the back, and you know they rub the back of their hair more against like different fabrics and surfaces. So I just decided, you know, let me braid it down just to protect it, like a protective style, but for the back of her hair, because I like the top. I always style her hair in like buns and ponytails, so I really like that look on her, so I wanted to be able to still do that. So back is braided down, and I finally added these beads on that she has had since her birthday, but has never worn. I'm not really a big fan of beads, but I'm like, since the back of her hair need to be braided down, might as well, you know? So she's braided down, and then while I was braiding her, I was like, oh snap, we just made some rice water. I can put the rice water in her hair and see if, you know, she has growth. So I'm going to take some pictures of her hair today, and I'm going to continue to put the rice water on her braids over the next week and see if she has any growth, because I'll be doing the same to my head. And the last time I did the rice water for a week, I had noticeably longer hair, if you know what I'm saying. So as y'all can see, I'm very tired, so I will pick back up the vlog tomorrow. Today was a very lot going on type of day, so I just need to go to sleep, recharge, and, you know, start over tomorrow, because Lord willing. I will see y'all in the morning.
Lace lifting up a little bit.
Do this and take this.
No, I can't right now. I'm holding the camera. Hey, you going?
Don't worry about it. Don't.
It's gonna get up. That's embarrassing. They keep. You got your money card? Hey y'all. So today is another day. What's today? Tuesday? Wednesday. My week has been very uneventful ever since since I'm not starting the semester, school this semester. No, I technically dropped out, but we'll see what the future holds. I won't be going to school for the foreseeable future. I have been trying to get closer to God, and I do plan on doing a video about that, just like while I'm not in school.
How going closer to God is going, what I am doing while I'm not in school, and just what's been going on while I left my job and everything like that.
It's like 12 o'clock. Wing is eating her first meal of the day. Unfortunately, she woke up around like 11:30. So I just made her some cereal. I was already out here cleaning up. I did, you know, my morning, God time. I have an interview and I need to do my hair in like 2 hours. And my sister haven't brought my wig yet. I'm just seeing her molded and ready. You're so beautiful.
She mommy eat turd.
Hey, and what book did I start in yesterday, Stinky? Joshua. It's Joshua.
Joshua.
Yes. So
Mommy, she down.
wig is on.
Mommy.
Interview is complete. Yes. And we are done for the day. But I'm about to finish cleaning up. I feel like the interview went well. I will tell y'all more about the position if I get the job, or if I don't get the job, I'm still gonna tell y'all more about the position. The picture. You put blue on this hand. Let me see. You put purple on this hand. Wow, Stinky, that is pretty. Did y'all see my baby nails? Like, she is expressing this talent at such a young age, y'all. She's 2. I don't know if that's impressive. I don't know if that is anything, like, out of the ordinary for a 2-year-old. But I'm so proud of her. She gonna be just like her. The tone is a little... Yeah, it's a little lighter. It's going on 5 o'clock, so in like an hour or 2, it'll be time for me to start our bedtime routine, which has honestly been such a blessing to me, y'all. This routine that I have set in motion, that I have set in place, it has saved my life and my edges and everything. I'm just so happy about it.
This is where we are. I got all my products set up. This is like just stuff, and then under is like, you know, like products. And then I have my brushes, which I'm probably going to end up cleaning tomorrow. I was going to put them in the stranger today. This is stuff that I have not put away yet. That is some more stuff. I went through the drawers, and they're all clean. I just got some extra materials in these. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the band that was on top of that desk over there. And in here I have all the braided hair that clients sleep on. So much braided hair, bro. And then in here I have all of the other hair that gets left behind, like tracks and whatnot. Ring light, towel.
That's it, y'all. I'm tired. I don't want to finish, but I am. But it still just got out the tub, and I made her some macaroni just in case she didn't like it, because I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, because like I said, it was an idea. I just got out the shower. I'm not positive, but I'm almost sure that I missed. I'm done with the kitchen. Just wanted to show y'all real quick.
What's in the sink is like, what is that? It's like bottles and tops and like parts that I like to clean out and put in the dishwasher. And over here is clean as well. And I'm off the floor, but you can't really tell because this is just like toddler.com.
But, oh my God. Every time I turn around, there's something else to clean up. I'm here to let you know. If I'm gonna give you anything from today besides getting a relationship with God, is to clean up before you go to sleep.
Clean it up in the morning, like it just distracts you from God again. Like I keep talking about God, but that's just what's going on in my life. It's just like God and cleaning up. So
just get it out the way, get her done.
And I'm gonna probably end the vlog here, y'all. Thank you for watching. I know it's boring. I know this is a very, I'm gonna be honest, a boring time in my life. I'm just here all day long, trying to find something to do, trying to move at the pace of grace. And it's hard, but, you know.
You know, God bless it. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Anyway, yeah, I hope y'all are all doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, be blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.